Hello, this is Peter Newman. I'm doing a video response to Raju, who's struggling a bit with DesignModeler and creating slices. So we'll switch over to the finished version of this, and we have several sections that are sliced, and I'm going to just delete the last two slices. The slice is on plane 11, and that is a horizontal slice, and there, see the blue arrow is pointing up, that's the z-axis. And here's a vertical slice where the blue arrow is pointing to the right, and I'll just show how to do those. So I'll delete those four features at the bottom of this, and we now have to redo those. So let's put those in, and let's just, what's that line there? That may be curve, I forget. Anyway, what we want to do is create a new plane. We want to use a point and a normal. So point and normal are selected. The base point is the filtering on vertex, and I say apply, and it finds a point. And the normal defined by, if this is a horizontal slice, we want the ZX plane. So there it is. Apply, and now we generate. So now we have sliced it into two bodies. This after we take that new plane and then create a slice, generate all bodies, generate. Now there's two bodies. Let's see here, 1, 2. So we need a slice to get these pieces down the bottom sliced up like we did on this side. So we need a plane through that point, and we will do that by create new plane from point to normal, and the base point is that. Apply, and there, PF point, that's what you want to see, isn't it? And the normal defined by we want the ZY plane. Apply, so we generate that plane, and then we use that plane to slice. So that plane is there, and create slice, all bodies, generate. And so now you have bodies that have been sliced. So there's the slice operation. Let's go back to this point here. So you have a point there. Let's redo that plane. Plane 12, which was here. You can right click and say edit selections, and the base point there are two objects, and we can pick the first or the second. And if we apply that, that's the PF point. So there you go. So that's the piece you were struggling with. So now generate. So we can check if any of the planes did not use a PF point. That one did. That one did. I think they all did, except the first time I redid the plane 13. But so the trick is when you pick something, and there are both a vertex and a point there. So just for fun, create a new plane using point and normal. The base point, when we pick that, it tells us there's two things there, and there are the two objects, and if you click the second one you get a PF point, whereas if you pick the first one, which is this one, you get a vertex. So I think that has explained it properly, and let's just go ahead and pick that, and the second object is the PF point, and the normal, if we want to slice vertically, we want the ZY plane, so we pick ZY, apply, and then we can generate the plane and then create slice and generate the slices. Generate. So now we have sliced that body in two pieces. Alright, so Raju, I hope you get that working for yourself.